In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your operating system for your Windows PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for absolutely free of cost. So to upgrade the operating system from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on your laptop or your PC, it's very simple and easy. All you have to do is just switch on your PC. After you switch on your PC, get to the desktop and then just type or just press Windows and I. This is going to take you to the settings for your PC directly. You click on Update and Security. Once you do that, you're going to get directed to the page for Update and Security. So under Windows Update, the next section out here, you're going to see that you have an option to download and install Windows 11. In order for you to get the official version of Windows 11 for absolutely free, you need to have the official version of Windows 10. If you had a cracked or a pirated software installed on your PC, this is not going to work. And it is going to take some time for the software to download on your PC. For downloading the software, it is going to take approximately 15 minutes to 1 hour 15 minutes, and to install the software it is going to take the same time, so give or take 2 hours approximately. But the good news is that while this is downloading on your PC, you are not going to be disturbed at all. It is going to be downloaded in the background, but after it is downloaded, in most instances, your PC has to restart for the software to install properly. If you like the simple and easy no BS tutorial for today, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.